In this video, we're going to look at how to use the horizontal or the HLOOKUP, and that's because our data is now in horizontal rows as opposed to the columns we had before. I have an EMP ID 148, 149. They're going across the top. Note that they're also sorted numerically to make this work. And I'm going to need the salary back, and the salary is this value over here. So we're going to start off by putting our mouse in the salary block. Insert function. We're going to use the HLOOKUP. There it is. And it's going to ask me again, what am I looking for? Or what am I looking up? I'm looking up my employee ID. Where am I going to find the information? Everything will be in this table. Again, I need to lock down this range so it doesn't run away with me. So that's my F4 key will do that, or your function F4 key. And then what row do I want back? Well, the salary is in row 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's the fourth row. And then we're going to say OK. So 68289 for employee number 48, 148, 68289. And I'm going to just drag this down, which I can do because I have locked my range by putting my dollar signs in. Okay, that's it.